Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthier version of the viral tortilla wraps. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make the healthy version of the viral tortilla wrap, first I'm making a whole wheat roti and I have placed the rolled out roti onto a cast iron tawa. Today I'm using organic whole wheat flour and I'm lightly cooking the roti on medium to low flame. Now you don't need to cook the roti thoroughly, you just need to lightly cook both sides. The tortilla wrap is made using tortillas, which is made with refined flour. I'm making this as a Desi version, hence I'm using whole wheat roti, homemade whole wheat roti. And once the roti is lightly cooked on both sides, remove it from the tawa and keep it aside. Okay, let's assemble the tortilla wrap. First I'm making an intention with a pizza cutter. And then I'm slicing one portion of the roti. Okay, now I have sliced one portion of the roti. This is homemade green chutney made with organic coriander leaves. I have already shared the recipe on my channel. Please do check it out. So on the first portion, I am placing green chutney, about a teaspoon or as needed. This is some leftover potato sabji which I made with just jeera and a little bit of turmeric and red chilli powder. So what I've done is I've mashed the leftover aloo pieces and I'm placing the aloo pieces onto the next portion. I'm sprinkling in a fat pinch of roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, a fat pinch of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. On the next portion, I'm placing some lettuce leaves. You can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice. A slice of capsicum, a slice of tomato, a slice of onion. This is homemade vegan mayonnaise. I have already shared how to make a vegan mayonnaise at home. This is 100% oil free and completely vegan and dairy free. The recipe links will be updated at the end of this video. And on the next portion, I am spreading some vegan mayonnaise. I have made this wrap into a super healthy and filling meal. You can enjoy this as a roti sandwich for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's one filling meal. You can use green leafy vegetables and other vegetables or any leftover sabji which you have at home. I'm just giving a basic idea on how to make this wrap. To roll the wrap, what you need to do is first you take this portion and cover it over the potato sabji. And then you take the next portion and cover it over the vegetables. And then you take this portion and okay, now the wrap is almost ready. To toast this wrap, I am heating my grill pan. You can also use your ordinary cast iron roti tawa instead. I am drizzling in little bit of Desi ghee. And I am placing the wrap on the grill pan. Drizzle a little bit of Desi ghee on top. And once that side is done, carefully flip it over. And once that side is done, transfer to a plate. And my tortilla wrap is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. And just before serving, you can slice the wrap and enjoy. So guys, do try this healthy wrap and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.